Hello, Unique family. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be unboxing my very first Ulta haul with It's Amanda. And if you're not familiar with me, hello, my name is Therese here at Uneek Beauty. I love doing things, including beauty, which includes self-care, skincare, hair care, and tons more. I love doing collaborations with the Carolina girls and my beautiful Uneek Squad. Everyone will be listed down in the description box below. Well, according to all my beautiful Squad sisters, Ulta was the place for me to start getting a little bit more of my makeup, including some of my tried and true favorites I have used for the past, like my NYX pot for my base eyes and tons more. Well, it was my birthday, and I usually go to Ulta to get our hair done. Me and my girls, we usually get our hair done. I actually went and got my makeup done one time for my anniversary. Of course, you accumulate points and stuff like that, and I had some points, and they gave me a gift card for my birthday. $25, y'all. Yes. So everything in the box came to $12.50, but everything in this bag is a whole nother story. So let's get into this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Many more unboxings from Ulta and other places coming at you very soon. So before I get into this video, I do want to remind you, I did open this box. I do have a lot of problems opening up things, but I'm very excited about what's inside. One of the first things in here, I did get heavy NYX stuff because they had, if you bought 25, you got a lot free. And with my birthday and I'm trying to learn new things, I thought I'd go jump on that deal because I already know what NYX products are. So yeah, first thing I got was a NYX, of course, paint pot. This is an eyeshadow base I use in a lot of my makeup looks. This is the skin tone kind, right there. And I always use the skin tone tones versus the transparents or the nude one because I love to do sometimes nude eye looks, and the eyeshadow base for that works really well. So now I'm going to dive into the rest of this box. I had to get that out first. So as I'm diving into this box, I'm remembering what I ordered. And I will put everything I ordered down in the description box below for you so you'll know what I ordered as well. So one of the things I have right here, this is a shower cap. It says change up your shower game in fresh and fun shower cap. One size fits most. And this has cacti on it. Really cool, right? And it has an elastic band. It looks like it's big enough to fit all my hair in there. I use a lot of these for like conditioning caps sometimes, but I did have to get a new shower cap. And plus my daughters and me, we all use the same shower caps most of the time. And this is by Ulta. This is their shower cap. And plus I had to pick up a new shower cap. I'm traveling a lot more. I found out this year that was one of the goals that I had for 2021 is to travel. So I did need to pick up a new shower cap. So I have this for my vacations. So what else is in the box? The next thing I picked up was this beautiful Tree Hut. This is Cotton Candy Sugar Shea Scrubs. I love their Sugar Shea Scrubs. Try to say that 10 times fast. They're Sugar Shea Scrubs from Tree Hut. And this is the Cotton Candy scent. Okay, tape. I'll take tape off. Yeah, okay. So let me smell this really quick. It does have a safety seal on it, which I appreciate. Oh, look. Can y'all see? Hold on, let y'all see. La, la, la. Look at that. That look good. Looks like frosting. Oh, look, it matches my eye color. Oh, that smells good. I'm going to enjoy taking a shower. I love doing sugar scrubs. So usually how I do my baths is I take a warm shower, I sugar scrub, then I scrub down with my Skin So Soft body products. Then after I get out of the shower, I spray this body oil from Skin So Soft. I layer it with the Tree Hut Shea Butter Cocoa Butter, and then that's my usual night routine. So I will actually do a video. I've been asked a lot, what is my night routine? So I guess I'll go ahead and make that video. But I ordered the Tree Hut Cotton Candy Sugar Scrub. I also purchased the deep conditioning caps. These are the deep conditioning professional caps. it says a quantity of 1, but it said 2 came in a pack. So I'm not really sure. And this I don't know. Is it? Because it said 2 when I ordered it, but it says 1's in the pack. No, there's 1. But this is what it looks like. And as you see, it is very sheer. It is very sheer. But this is a conditioning cap here. And usually when we do deep conditioners, me and my girls, I'll put them in this, wrap it around a warm towel, let them walk around the house while I get the other person's hair done. Vice versa, take the cap off, I rinse your hair out, you put this cap on, and we keep this cycle going. So, but I did need another one of these caps. Usually I use the plastic bags you get from Dollar Tree, but I noticed if I don't want to use heat in their hair, this is the best thing to do, because all I do is just, of course, like I said, take a hot towel, put it on their head, make them watch on while I get the other one's hair washed. So I did need a new conditioning cap, and I will let you know how this works, because I'm not so sure about this now that I see it in person. When I saw it on the website, it looked when I saw it on the website, it looked exactly what I wanted, but it looks kind of flimsy than the one I was expecting. So I might have to go to Sally's and see if they have one, or even my hair store in town, and see if they have a better conditioning cap. Oh well, on with the box. So the next thing I ordered from the company before I got my free gifts from NYX were these beautiful palettes here. I'm in love with the colors. These are very new to me. Y'all know, I stay in a bubble when it comes to colors, but I did pick this up. Now this one is the Phoenix color. It does not show me shade names, but they are very pretty. This is the Petite palette. If you have this palette, let me know down in the comments. And then I picked up the Bright palette. It looks like this. And of course, they still don't tell me what the palettes are, or the names. It tells me what the ingredients are, but it doesn't tell me the shade names for the palettes. But I'm actually gonna have fun with this. I think I'm gonna use this more in the fall. This color in the fall, and I might bring some of these colors in a couple of videos. So if you want to see what I do with these beautiful palettes, don't forget to subscribe so you'll know what is coming up with these. But I ordered these, and then when I ordered all the NYX, so the NYX things I did order to get my free gift was these 2 palettes here and this right here. And when you order $25, you got free stuff. So here are the free things that I received. And we're going to open this up and see. So, like again, I tend not to order so much on Ulta because I've never ordered on Ulta before. I've always gone in store and got stuff and used my points. And like I said, with Amanda helping me, like, hey, did you check out this? Did you check out this sale? There's a sale on this. It really helps for me to bang my buck, so to speak. And I got the points anyway. I mean, I only paid 12 bucks for the stuff I got. So, hey. All right. So, from the website, because I got over $25, they gave me a liner stick. This is a NYX Professional. And this is in the, I don't know. Oh, pitch black. Is this what this is? This is a liner stick. This is Epic Wear Liner Stick Eyeliner Sticks. This is Professional NYX. Then I received the NYX Matte Finishing Spray, setting spray, which I've never used before. I'm really excited to give this a try. Cool. I never had this before. I'm really, really excited about it. The next thing I see is the Bear With Me Hydro Jelly Primer. Ooh, a new primer. There's that. Last but not least is the NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in the color Cream Brulee. Not my shade, but it's really not my shade. But it's okay. I'll give it a try and see how it works. So everything I got online was the shower cap, the sugar scrub, the conditioning cap that's now over there, the NYX palettes. This is the Bright and the Phoenix. And also my base. And then we have wonderful free gifts. The setting spray, the jelly hydration primer, the gloss butter, and the eyeliner. And that's everything I ordered online, and it came to $12.50. So let me show you what I bought in store. All right, so I went in store. Here we go. Here's my bag. So when I went with Amanda to White Oak, and I have that video, and I will leave that video up in the icon above, we went on a 4-hour shopping spree in White Oak in North Carolina. It's a beautiful shopping center. It has tons and tons of stuff. But Ulta was there, next to a Five Below. You see where I'm going. So we went into Ulta not wanting to buy anything, just to look around, and I wound up spending $42 in Ulta. Let me show you what I got. First thing we got is these beautiful essence packs. We got all of them, every single color. And let me show you what they are. The first one is the mauve palette. This is, I like it. I like to mauve it. This is an eyeshadow palette. What beautiful color. It does come with a mirror. And here are the colors here. The shade colors are Move It, Fantastic, Ya Nice, Electric, Catching, and Into It. And there are the colors here. They are beautiful colors. I cannot wait to play with them. The next palette is Ice Ice Baby. The colors are VIP, Rock the Mic, Vanilla Ice, Too Cold, I'll Glow, Collaborate, and Listen. Just like the song from Vanilla Ice. And those are the colors here. I'm really excited to try this palette out as well. The next one is Dancing Green. Kind of like Dancing Queen. There's that. The colors are You Can Dance, Feel the Beat, Rock Music, Watch That Scene, Night is Young, and Only 17. Oh, basically like the song. That's so cute. Here are the colors here. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Next is Bronzed This Way. Kind of like Walk This Way, the song. Their colors are Love Yourself, Superstar, No Mistakes, Right Track, Perfect Babe, and Queen. And let's take a look inside. Ooh, pretty. Look at those pretty colors, y'all. That's pretty. I like this. Pretty. So this is Call Me Maybe, kind of like the song Call Me Maybe. And the names are Just Meet You, Wish in the Well, Stare Was Holding, This Is Crazy, In My Way, and Pennies and Dimes. Oh, just like the song. There you go. And those are the colors here. So beautiful. Look at that. I'm literally in my song going, hey, this is crazy. Like, and the next one is Taupe It Up. Okay. There's the packaging there. And the color names are Shining a Bright, Saturday Night, Feel So Good, Hands Up High, Groovin', and Parties Jumpin'. Oh, how gorgeous. Look at that palette. Wow. And these are all Essence palettes right there. And I love this. I'm going to have so much fun trying out my new makeup. Now, the reason why it was so high is because I told myself when I looked at it, I was like, I'm not buying that palette. I was on the ColourPop website. I was like, you know what? I like the look of the palette. I really, really like the look of that palette. I really like the look of the palette. But I don't think that blue is going to work for me. Because I'm a more darker skinned lady. That blue is not going to pop on me. I was like, I refuse. No, Amanda was like, no, you should try it. You should look. You should at least try it. Funny thing was, I bumped the thing. I was like, nah, it's okay. And my forearm, my hand right here bumped the blue. And it was so gorgeous. I was like, I'm buying it. 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 I took it to the register and I left. And that was Caribbean Club. This palette, I debated and I went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Even on the ColourPop website, I went back and forth, like I don't need this palette. I do not need this palette because I know that blue is not going to be used because it's not going to be a color that's going to look good on me. Let me show you this palette. This is the palette right here. The shade names are High Season, Rattan Bikini, Cool Off, Gold Bananas, Copa Cutie, Limelight, Bahama Mama. Yes. Take It Easy, Throw Shade, Cha Cha Cha, and Pool Party. There you go. This right here is what sold me. That color sold me on this color right here, which is Pool Party, sold me. Isn't that just, oh my gosh, y'all, look. Bam. That right there. I was like, it's not going to look good on me. I'm a darker skinned lady. It's not going to look good on me. It's not going to look good on me. Look at that. Boom. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. As soon as I saw it, I was like, that's mine. That is my palette. Put it into the buggy. Let's go check out right now before I do any more damage. And I am in love. In love with this palette. I absolutely love this palette. I cannot wait to try this out. I cannot wait to do a makeup look with it. So if you want to see this makeup look, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the time that we upload. Thank you so, so much for joining me today. If you have not seen Amanda's upload for her Ulta haul, don't forget to head over to her channel to see what she did and Ulta herself. We had fun, y'all. So thank you so much for joining me on this Makeup Wednesday. So from all of us to all of you, thank you so much for joining me today. We hope that you had just as much fun as I did. So from all of us to all of you, we hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember to be happy, be kind, always be courageous. Courageous. God bless and have a wonderful day.